4 benefits of having concrete floors in your house. Dear friends, when people think of concrete floors they automatically think cold, prison-like, industrial. These are a few adjectives that may come to mind. But that is no longer the case. Concrete floors are now able to take on color and be polished so that they look absolutely stunning. After you find out the myriad of benefits of having concrete flooring in your house, it may just become your top pick. Get ready to be blown away by how beautiful, elegant, and warm a concrete floor in-house can be. Concrete floors are recyclable. As people get more environmentally conscious, recyclable and sustainable building materials are very popular. Concrete floors that are made from an existing concrete slab and are recycled are good for the environment as there is no consumption of new materials. Once the concrete has been sanded, polished, and sealed, it looks so refined and can be the perfect addition to any traditional kitchen or living room. Concrete floors are easy to maintain. If you are looking for flooring that is easy to maintain, then concrete flooring may just be what you need. The only maintenance that concrete floors require is weekly mopping with soapy water. Having a skirting board installed along the concrete flooring will make sure that dirty mops do not leave any residue along the edges of your flooring. This will make the flooring look finished and intentional. Concrete floors are versatile. When you choose concrete floors, you are spoiled for choice. There are so many finishes that you can have. Concrete floors have tonal differences, subtle cracks, and aggregates that make it look like stone. You can stain concrete floors to give you a unique finish. This can be achieved by playing with different colors and application techniques. For a more decorative finish, you can have a marble effect or create a tiled look. Concrete floors are long-wearing. A polished and well-maintained concrete floor can be expected to last a very long time. As it ages, it takes on a newer look that can bring intrigue and interest in the history of the house in which it is found. You will not need to hide it under rugs or carpets. Instead, you can celebrate it and leave it on display for your guests to enjoy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.